If you're interested in Python, do you know the meaning of true or false? You don't know? Hey, hey, this is Ankit. In this video, we are going to learn about Boolean data type. Please watch this video till the end because there is an important message for all those who are interested in Python and there is a gift for you. So let's learn about Boolean. So let's dive into my desktop to learn more about this.
Today we are going to see part 4 of variables and data types in Python. In the previous session we had seen the string type data type or text type data type. In this session we are going to see the Boolean type data type. And Boolean is nothing just a data type which stores only two type of values, either true or false. So you can see the bool is a keyword which is used to create a Boolean type. Let's see in the action. Suppose I want to create a variable as a name with a b1 and I want to store true inside of it, a boolean value. So I have to just type a capital T, small RUE, true, and just press enter. After that, when I'm going to print this b1, I'm able to check the value which is true right now. And if I'll check the type of my b1, now you can see it is printing a bool class. So basically it is saying that currently my b1 is a boolean type data type. And suppose you want to store your false data. So again, what we can do, we can print the value, it will print a false for us, and it can check, we can check it's a bool type of data, right? Now be sure we are not going to store this false or this true word inside the string code. Let's see in the action. Suppose I'm going to enter this true inside of this string codes, and I'm going to store this value in a b3, and after that let me try to print the value of b3. Now you can see it's printing exactly same as true, but what if I'll check the data type of this b3? Now you can see it's not a bool anymore, it's become a string. It's the reason behind this b3, it's a string, it's just nothing, just a this string code. Same you can check that you can't create a false value inside the string because it will become a string value, it will not remain a your boolean type of value. So you can see again it's printing a string type data type for b4, which is actually nothing but storing a false. In Python you can do one more thing. If you are going to store this true using in this format where all the characters are in a small case, let's see, you are getting a error because the Python is not supporting this true as a boolean value, and you have to type this t of true in a capital letter only. Then only the Python is able to identify it's a boolean type. If you will make it small t, then Python will not able to identify it's a boolean value. Or if you will change everything to the capital case, then also Python is not able to identify this is a valid boolean type value, right? So be sure you are going to type this true in a this format only. So this is about a boolean data type. One more thing we can add inside of it. Let's go to the whiteboard. In Python, all the true value for the boolean type all the true are identified as a non-zero values, and Python is able to identify false as a or only zero value. So we can say if the value is 0, which is a numeric 0, so Python can identify it as a false, and if any other value which is not a 0, Python will identify it as a true in a Boolean type data type. I hope that will help to you a lot to understand about the Boolean data type. Thank you.
Now it's the time for the important message and gift for you. So we have a master class that will be taken by the university professor. The link is in the description, and we are going to take 5 lucky winners who are going to learn the Python from the university professor on the live classes. So without wasting time, click the link below and register yourself for the masterclass. Thank you.